Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix IS-0009 error on Epic Games. So the first thing what you need to do here, and it's super important, you need to completely close Epic Games. So on system tray should be no Epic Games, and on Task Manager as well, just go on search and look for Epic Games. If the Epic Games is running, completely close it. If you not close it completely, you cannot fix this issue, okay? Then what you need to do here, you need to write run or press Windows and A key, and then here you need to write % local app data %, press OK. Then here you need to look for Epic Games Launcher. Epic Games Launcher, not Epic Games. Then you need to go to saved, and then you should see web cache underscore and some numbers. So you need to delete the web cache folder. And then after you do so, run Epic Games and it should work. If it's not working, then what is suggested to do here is to, again, completely close Epic Games. Then, again, go and look for Epic Games, right-click on it, and run as admin, and it should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.